After that last rainstorm. Oh, he's there. I don't know if you guys can see him. He's right there. He's not a young one either. He's fairly big. Yeah, look what he's done to my field. I'm surprised he was out swimming around when I came that close with the machine. All right. He built it fairly good this time. You're gonna get all muddy. You're gonna get all muddy. What'd you find? Get out of there. You're gonna get all muddy. And now you're going through the stinging nettles. You're gonna be itchy. Yeah, just look what he did to my field. And he was out swimming around. He was right here too. He was right there. Oh well. Let me get this dam busted up. What he did to my field. Look at this. Flooding it. Wreck it, Eli. Wrecked it. Look at that. He'll be really mad that I knocked a hole in this dam. But that's okay. I'm really mad because he flooded my field. Good afternoon. So this morning was a little bit busy. I was helping Mom with pickups in the yard back at home. Had a bunch of pickups this morning. It's Friday. Friday and Saturday are usually our busiest days. And I have 2 pickups coming out to the farm today. I got one guy, he should be here in about 20 minutes. And I have another one, I think he's coming about 4, I think he's about 5 o'clock this evening, sometime in there. So His stuff's not cut yet. We cut it this morning. He's picking up this afternoon. So I'm just walking out to get the forklift so I can take the 2 skids back out to my truck. Then I'll get them loaded up there. I got Melissa started. She's vacuuming fields right now, getting rid of all the grass clippings on top. Especially on that far field, it was a little bit overgrown. So got done dealing with the customers that came. One guy came a lot earlier than he was supposed to. I think he was supposed to come around 6 o'clock. He came for, I don't even know what time it is now. Well, 5 o'clock. He was early, half hour early. So now I'm going to take 4430 and the mowers. I'm going to go over another spot where Pierre mowed yesterday. I'm going to go again because there was some big clumps of trimmings left behind from the mowers because it was still wet from the rain the other day. And just kind of bust them up and spread them out. Melissa has been vacuuming. She says the clumps are kind of stuck together. They're not getting sucked up into the vacuum properly. So I'm gonna go see if we can spread it out a little bit so that it's easier to vacuum them up. Today's been a bit of a hectic day, running around. Yeah. Yesterday was hectic too with the rototiller and the rough cut mower both having gearbox problems. So today I'm just going to do some mowing. Yeah, that's where I'm at today. So I am going to do some trimming, and then we're going to have to cut later on tonight when it cools off, and Dad will be out here later tonight to pick up the load. got the load off. Cut not a problem. I think I'm going to end the video here, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. God bless.